So I'm gonna have a Roby Robot video later, hopefully. But today I wanted to, because it's International Women's Day, I wanted to do just show this kit that I put together. I'm not showing putting it together because I didn't know how long it was gonna take. I've never actually had a Lego kit. So this is Women of NASA Lego kit. It's got four figures for it. 1959, two different figures. Margaret Hamilton, Nancy G. Roman, and then 1992 and 1983 is two figures. It's Mae Jemison and Sally Ride. Sally Ride, I remember from '83. It's more my time when I was a kid. So I went ahead and put the kit together, but I did want to cover, since like I said, I'd never put it together before. Apparently, I ended up taking the ship off. I don't remember how to put the ship back on. We'll see that here in a second. I'll look at the instructions again. There were some extra parts in here, and also I couldn't get the helmet to stay, so it wouldn't stay in her hand like it shows that it's supposed to. Every time I put it in her hand, it comes off, Oh, see, now they show me how to be a liar. Anyway, there were some extra parts in here. Let me see how to put the ship back on the pedestal. Anyway, actually, yeah, that's what it shows. So, first I'm gonna just leaf through the booklet so that you can see what it says for each of the women. I'm not gonna read it myself. I do have some light hitting it, so it might not be so easy to read. In case you're not familiar with any of the women. And some other information about the designers and whatnot. Okay, so we got some other languages. Some French here. Get to the part of the Legos. So I did what it showed here, where I put them, sorted them out by color in the box. Ferdy kept trying to take pieces, so I was very diligent in watching that he didn't get any of the pieces. Like I said, there were some extras. I don't know why. I assembled the astronauts and those that helped at NASA, Women of NASA, and then put the parts together. It was pretty simple. It's actually, they've got a good system going on, as you might imagine. So now we're gonna go to the part where we try to figure out how to put it on the base, because we've already got that assembled. It's all assembled. So I'm just supposed to put it onto the base. Looks like this part, maybe. Yeah. Maybe this part was supposed to be the one to hold it. Looks like it. So, put it back on here. If I can get it on. See now, I'm sure, or came off again. Anyway. Yeah, it's weird. Let's see here. I actually look back. Anyway, it's a pretty cool, I'm trying to see with the pedestal, if they had me put that part. That's what the problem, putting it back in the box, you know. Yeah, so that I was putting it the wrong way, so it's this way. And it's, yeah. Okay. Let me see. Showing it that. There we go. Okay. It helps to actually, you know, have the, it's got to be this, right? Yeah, there we go. All right, there we go. Not that complicated. I was making it way more complicated than it needed to be. This was about a week ago that I put this together. Anyway, so it's a really nice kit. I really enjoyed putting it together. I wish that I could get the helmet to stay, but it does not. Very cute little parts here. And they have parts inside that are like red that you can't even see. So I think they're just trying to make it true to life of what the actual, you know, shuttle would look like. So yeah, very, very nice little set for International Women's Day. I hope that you let the women in your life know how much you appreciate them. Because this isn't just like Mother's Day. This is for, you know, International Women's Day to celebrate the accomplishments of women. All right, thank you. You have a good day. And I'll try to get the Roby video out for today a little bit later. Bye-bye.